guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this little unicorn nightlight. I really love it, guys. It is super cute. It is also very squishy, so your little kid is going to love playing around with it, or if they just want to use it as a nightlight, they're also going to love it because it changes colors. Now over here in the bottom is where you will turn it on. So whenever you turn it on, it looks like this. And then you can start tapping it like that. It becomes even brighter, so I really love that. The second tap, it changes colors. I'm gonna go ahead and let you see how it changes colors. So it's super pretty, guys. I believe it has like 16 different colors. So it just keeps on changing. And then the third tab, like this, it stays put in one color, so I really love that. It also comes with a USB charger, guys. This is how long it is. So it's not super long, but I mean, it's long enough if you want to charge the little unicorn. Now it is a USB charger, guys. It does not come with the block, so you will need to provide the block, but you can just use like any type of block that you use for your phone. It will work perfectly fine. Now this side over here is what will plug to the unicorn, so it just plugs into the back like this, and then you can just charge it. So I really love that. Now this is how the unicorn nightlight lights up during the day, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all the lights, guys, and I'm gonna close my curtains so you can see how it looks during the nighttime. All right, guys, so this is how bright the nightlight gets during the nighttime. It is super cute. We're going to do the second tap. So that's how the second tap looks like. We're going to do the third one, and then it starts changing colors. I really love this one, guys. It is super glowy. It is very pretty. It's very majestic. I really love it. And then the third tap, it just stays in one color, so I really like that. But yeah, guys, that's how the unicorn nightlight looks like. It is super cute. It's also super squishy, so it's very fun to play around with. I would definitely recommend it, especially now that the holidays are coming up. It will make for a perfect holiday gift. Also a great birthday present if you're trying to look for a good birthday present for your little one. But yeah, guys, really great nightlight, and I would definitely recommend it.